Hi everyone, welcome to TRINI Can Cook, and today we'll be making pholourie. Pholourie is a popular snack or street food in Trinidad and Tobago and other Caribbean countries. It is a fried dough ball served with any chutney of your choice. My favorite chutneys to pair with this are tamarind or mango chutney. This recipe will not disappoint and is perfect every time. It is my mom's secret recipe, which I guess is probably not so secret anymore. It is crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. So stay tuned.
And let's get cooking. Here is what you will need.
So here I have all my ingredients. First you will need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of saffron powder, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, about 3 cups of warm water, and 3 cups of flour. Now I do not like split peas powder in my pholourie, but if you do, feel free to add.
Step 1. Add all ingredients together.
So basically I've just combined all my dry ingredients into a big mixing bowl.
Step 2. Mix all dry ingredients together.
Make sure and thoroughly mix or incorporate everything together, either with a spatula or spoon, or using the best mixer of all, your hands.
Don't forget to wash those hands. Step 3. Add warm water and mix.
Make sure and add warm, not hot, but warm water. Warm water rehydrates the active dry yeast, and the sugar feeds yeast, which is what results in the mixture rising properly. Also, here's a fun idea. If you wanted colored pholourie, go ahead and add food coloring at this stage. You can divide the wet dough into separate bowls and add red, blue, green, or mix the colors together to form your own unique color. It's perfect for Easter time and the kids will love it. Keep adding enough water until the dough is wet enough to be dropped from a spoon or your hand by itself. For this recipe, I used about 3 cups of water.
Step 4. Cover and leave to rest. 1 hour later. Hours later. As you can see, the dough has risen. Let's get cooking.
So this is how I set up my pholourie frying station, with the water on the far right and the container to put the pholourie in on the left. I find that it just flows when I do it like this.
Step 5. Let's fry.
So make sure your oil is nice and hot. When I start to fry the pholourie, I will usually have it at a medium to high heat. There are 2 ways that you can do this. As you can see, I am using 2 spoons to get my pholourie from the batter into the frying pan. I'm just going to do a couple to show you the technique, and then I'm going to go ahead and fry it. The second, more traditional way is using your hand. First, wet your hand in the bowl of water so the dough does not stick to it, and then pick up a little of the batter between your fingers and the side of the bowl. Then drop carefully into the hot oil. Now keep turning your pholourie and fry until it is a nice light golden brown color. Once it's finished, go ahead and scoop it out and drain it on some paper towels. And that's it. Now it's ready to be served with a chutney of your choice. Here I'm having it with some tamarind chutney. You can see the link below for the tamarind chutney, or click on the video at the very end.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you in the